Yes, Mrs. Bina ji, namaste.
Namaste.
Okay, so today your face also looks like very beautiful.
Glossy.
Yeah, glossy. Not like before. Now it looks like younger than younger.
Yeah. 2060 total.
Okay, tell me. So right now, how you feel on your eyes vision?
Yeah, my eye vision is now very good.
Okay, before in doctor told you need for the surgery, right? Cataract surgery. After I treat some special His Holiness blessing and medicine. So right now you are reading without glass?
Without glass.
And watching?
TV also.
Also without glass.
Even I can read words and small letters paper also. Some big letters.
Okay, good. Also, how you feel your back and your knees now?
Everything now okay. Will be very better now.
Okay. When you come to visit to First Tarasuri Clinic,
I can't walk regularly.
You can't walk, right? You can't come for inside.
Yeah.
So right now you easily come to here.
You know, I climb steps also.
Yeah. First the treatment in the only given for there, our outside door, right?
Yes.
So right now?
Now I am feeling normal and okay. I feel, first time I felt feeling very depressed because of this
disease. Yeah.
Now I'm feeling okay.
Very good. Especially your face is very grow, right?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yes.
Shining. Keep up peace, mind, and continue medicine.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, doctor.